Cooker.
A machine used to cook food.
The cooker in our kitchen is electric.
Ceramic cooker available, Peter.
I hope they like the rice cooker I got them.
We got another cooker outside today.
I hope they like the rice cooker I got them.
Be the new gas cooker.
Fridge.
A machine that keeps food cold. I keep all the fruits and vegetables fresh in the fridge.
Food in the fridge in the first place.
Close the fridge.
The fridge.
2.
My fridge is broken.
Your fridge is broken.
Where's the fridge?
Oven.
A machine used for baking or cooking food with heat. She baked a delicious cake in the oven.
2 in the ovens.
The oven mitts! It was the oven mitts!
Oven mitts! Wow, thanks, Mom!
In the oven. A nice warm oven.
This toaster oven.
Sink.
A bowl in the kitchen where you wash dishes or food. Please wash the dishes in the sink.
The sink! In the sink!
Filters.
Above the sink.
Above the sink's empty.
Sink, terminate.
Cupboard.
A place where you store plates, cups, and other kitchen items. The plates are in the cupboard above the sink.
Brand new cupboards.
My secret cupboard.
Better than old Mother Hubbard's cupboard.
And even that cupboard wasn't guns.
Into your cupboard.
Oh, good. Now it's my.
It's just a cupboard.
Spoon.
A utensil used to eat soft food like soup. I need a spoon to stir my tea.
Spoons.
Big spoons.
Long spoon. Long spoon.
Agent Hal has been activated. He killed 2 operatives with a spoon, sir.
Spoons! Spoons! So many spoons, so little time.
Knife.
A sharp tool used for cutting food. Be careful while using the knife to cut the vegetables.
Knife. Call me knife.
My knife.
His knife.
Where's the knife? Where's the knife?
Damn knife.
There's the pen knife, the pocket knife, the butter knife.
Fork.
A utensil used to eat solid food like salad. He ate the salad with a fork.
Escargot fork. Lobster fork.
Salad fork. Dinner fork.
Oh, fork. Tiny forks.
What tiny forks?
The forks! Use the forks!
Oh.
Plate.
A flat dish used for serving food. I serve the food on a clean plate.
It's got plates. Plates.
Cheese plate.
On my plates! My good china plates!
With a strange man holding a cheese plate.
Snack.
Hot plate, out of the way.
Get the plates!
Glass.
A container used for drinking liquids. Can you pass me a glass of water?
Glass of water. Tea.
4 glasses of water, please.
Dirty glass. We got dirty glass.
Nice glass of water, yes.
Tall glass of Long Island iced tea in your hand.